Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are okay. Please, one request from my side, don't try to download the PDF before watching this video in full. What I had done in this PDF, let me explain you one times. I had taken all the repetitive questions from past examinations, starting from my 16 examinations in this PDF. I had prepared 8 questions and listed out where the questions was from and how many times the questions based on same concept has been asked in examination. This is almost impossible to say that the same questions come in examinations, very impossible, but yes, we can find that the same concept can come in examination. So in this video I had made a link below the descriptions. You can go and download, but watch this in full. That I had prepared 8 questions taking different section. And one more thing that I had made, that I had prepared different reference of section number taking from past exams paper, that in which attempt from which section the question has been asked in examination. This is just for your reference. Okay, you always try to do one things that I have also written in here in a notes, giving you important that this booklet is just made to help students in preparations. Always try to complete whole chapter in full first. That is, whole chapter you should must have to complete in one go. Then try to practice recently asked questions from examination, which I had done in below. There is only 8 questions you need to practice. All questions provided below are ICAI past exams papers. If you solve this, you might build your own confidence in examination hall. This is not important list or expected questions for examinations. Although it is not possible for anyone to say which questions will come in examination, but yes, we can prepare which concept will come in examinations. First, we will try to practice all the concept. If appointment and qualifications of director start from section 149 and ends in section 172, we will try to go through all the sections in brief. Then we will try to practice each question. Let's see this PDF. Here what is written. Question 1 is from section 161 subsection 2. This question was asked in new syllabus November 19. In note I had written that question on section 161 subsection 2 were also asked in May 17. This means you get 1 point that 161 subsection 2 might be a important question because it has been asked 2 times. Second, question based on section 167 and 164 has been asked in November 19 examinations, but for I reference I had given almost same questions on non-filing of financial statement has been asked in May 19 new syllabus, and same section on 164 actually it was asked in November 17, and 164 subsection 2 again was asked in November 16. Okay, so until and unless you don't watch this video, you cannot know what I had written in note here. Second, question number 3, 165 taken from new syllabus November 19, and good questions in the combination of section 149.4 and section 169 old syllabus November 19. Almost same questions from 149 subsection 4 was asked in November 18, both new and old syllabus, and also in May 17. This has been written in this sheet. Again, a good questions on combination of 152 subsection 6 and 152 subsection 7 asked in May 19, but again I had written that almost same questions based on section 152 subsection 6 was asked in May 18. Why I had written almost same question, because this content of section number was same, and whenever you, in writing law answer in examination, you must have to detail the section from which the question has been asked. Once you write the provision, any types of questions can be a similar question. And similarly I had prepared for question number 6 also. Okay, similarly for question number 7 also. And here I had written in question number 7, you can see that November 18 question was from same concept but little different. I had put the requirement here. You can see question number 8 I had written that try to read these sections completely. 149 should be reading completely because 149 have different things: maximum minimum number of director, women director, resident director, independent directors. Okay, so 149 you should must have to repeat it timely before starting such types of practicing question. I hope this PDF sheet will help you to practice your this chapter appointment and qualification director in detail. Again I am saying, never trust only section number. You have to read full syllabus, but these questions have just a sample to prepare, help in your preparation. So just try to practice these questions with your own hand in writing, and let me know in comment section that how you like this, and if you think it is better and it will be helpful for your examinations practice, then I will try to prepare for other chapters also these types of things. But for this I need to get your opinion that is this is going to fulfill your requirement, is this will be helpful in your preparations. Okay, hope you like this videos and share these videos to all of you, all of your friends. All the best for examinations. Best of luck.